A watershed is an area of land where precipitation, runoff, and groundwater flows to a common point. They encompass a variety of aquatic resources, including streams, rivers, floodplains, lakes, and wetlands.
Everyone lives in a watershed. The health of these areas directly impacts our communities, making the protection, conservation, and restoration of our watersheds crucial for both environmental integrity and public well-being. In Pennsylvania, the Department of Environmental Protection's Waterways and Wetlands program plays a pivotal role in ensuring the conservation and protection of aquatic resources within our watershed.
Regrettably, over the past 300 years, most watersheds have faced considerable alterations, leading to increased flooding, wetland loss, decreased biodiversity, and reduced water quality. Activities such as mill dam construction, timber harvesting, coal mining, agriculture, oil and gas extraction, and modern infrastructure and urban development have all compromised the health of our watersheds. Understanding these historical changes is vital for guiding informed decision-making for restoring our watersheds.
The natural or unaltered condition of a watershed is defined as an ecosystem that was formed and sustained under processes that are derived from nature, not human manipulation. However, when human actions sufficiently modify this equilibrium, significant disruptions occur, adversely affecting the watershed's processes, plants, animals, and people living there. Comprehensive restoration projects are essential when aquatic resources like streams, floodplains, and wetlands cease to function effectively. These initiatives aim to restore their lost functions, such as habitat creation, biogeochemical processing, and flood attenuation.
Modern constraints such as urbanization, land use changes, and climate change can complicate efforts and present challenges to restoration. In some cases, not all aspects of a watershed's resources can be fully restored, as some areas have been altered beyond recovery.
Comprehensive watershed restoration projects are vital for sustaining ecological health, improving human safety, supporting wildlife, encouraging recreation, and providing clean water for our communities. By understanding how historical changes and modern constraints have impacted our aquatic resources, we can develop effective strategies that honor the natural potential of our watersheds.